Guys, we are going to good morning guys, welcome to my channel. This is a new vlog, so guys, we are going to Equi Italian. My husband went to post office right now, so guys, we are going to Equi Italian. So let's go and see, because a lot of money has sent them last year. Oh, and you fuck a good himself from now, Equi Italian, but all my husband they consume those money. Bona Nyamoto with my name, Our first car, my name is there. My husband is not paying bola. They call it bola. I don't know, whatever. So I'm paying that one. Then yesterday another one arrived. So I want to go and know why they send another money for me to pay. Because me go some I'm over that. I was in Italian citizen. Now who's also work on boom. Yeah, every month I'm paying money. All point get up no bodu na abofu. I chop them your boss on it. The way has to say this muta can now. All point get up oboda abofu. I'm still thinking, So that is it. So I'm waiting for my husband to come for I the place. So that is it. How you guys doing? I hope everybody is fine. Let me show you. This is our post office. Over there is our post office. Don't mind all this dustbin. So that is it. My husband is the one driving. I don't want to drive. Yeah, I don't even have the license. I don't want to drive. My husband will be driving me. I never come buying water license in clear. I'll be looking at the water license. Because I want a soft life. Gabu madam. So that is it. But I can file yamboma. I saw look and see where put now, I went at Joko. It's Mika Druno Buddha. So guys, it's continue washing. So guys, this is the office. Guys, we branch in African shop. We bought cereal. My husband bought a cereal. So right now I'm waiting for my boss. My husband did to go. So I'm waiting for my boss. Because weather is not good like that. It's raining. So that is it. This is our boss. Okay, what the fuck? Look at inside the bus, how dirty. Because it's raining. So there is it, guys. Continue washing. So guys, I'm just coming back now. So here they gave me that is Alkonji the Rishebuta. No, not Rishebuta. The money I started paying last year, so because it's almost finished, because I'll be paying the money. I started last year, January, so I'll be paying it until 2031, I think 2031. Can you imagine? 2031. Then, so the one what take me there, they cancel it. They say that I have started paying the this one they sent for me is 400 euro, 4 something, you know. So can you see? So if you are not the one that understand their language, no, you don't have anybody to read for you, or you ask. It's better you ask. When you receive a bill in this country, Italy, make sure that you went to somebody that knows how to read very well, or you went to your lawyer if you have a lawyer, so that you explain to you because I see it for, I say why they will send this money again when I have already started paying last year. I'm not even yet done the one I'm paying till 2031. So I immediately went there. I asked the woman, what bill is this? Which money is this? Can I go send the mefa account? Or when the name was going to computer? If not, can you 2 lines? Or can you 2 lines? No, ordinary among the ego now. Can you imagine? That's not the inside the one I'm paying. So she now cancel it. Oh, yeah, but the bill, but it's just one. Can you see? So that is it. I'm thinking what I will do. You know why he's paying? He's paying me because he's not. If it's my husband's name, it can even be better. And when I'm not going to bank, so get can be sitting on now. Almost even can be a mouth. It's almost 12,000 something. Egon na Moroccan way. Just na dim dia fam ti la fam na moto. If again. So now I pray that I will come out on this, or maybe I will win money, or I will see money and pay the whole rat immediately. To stop every month I will be paying till, oh my God. So that is it. So do not know who may be like who want to say billion. If I find out for baby bag the très much, or the très much, and why now put over there the très much? Who now for to say be in a new funeral and they live well. I choose all over there. My late godmother, their godfather, they are late now. That is from a BM, but that you wear my mama was not to your over there. But I feel like I won't say well. Open all brother, open a mamma on the farm. I'll look at them, and black and not on Nigeria moon like a big. So now, so everything is great. Now I will start preparing our lunch. Today I'll be making spaghetti with pomodoro. And I got bread and I go do for my friend now. So that is it. Come and join me. I'll put a banana meat. Clack it.